how to transfer WhatsApp media to PC. So if you want to transfer WhatsApp media to your PC, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your WhatsApp. So if you have your WhatsApp application, you can open up your WhatsApp app, or you can also go with whatsapp.web. So go with get started and make sure to log into your account, or you can also go with your browser. So open up your browser, and here you can simply go with WhatsApp, go with WhatsApp web, and then go with login. Once you've logged into your account, now you just need simply go with a chat from which you would like to save your media. Once you open up your chat, now you need to just search for the media that you would like to save to your PC. For example, if I want to save this one, and then you just need simply go with the top right, and you'll be able to have a download option. Or what you can do is just simply go with the three dots, which is right here, and here you may have an option of media. Or go with the profile, click on profile, and then scroll down, and here you will have your media and links. So just go with the media that you would like to download, and from here you'll be able to download it. So that's how you can download or transfer your WhatsApp media to your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.